So I get this call, and this client of mine goes, I am extremely unhappy in my life, and during the day there are a couple of things I do that kind of brighten my day and make me feel good for some time, and very simple things like going out for coffee or meeting a couple of friends. So long you are dependent on these small things that are giving you little happiness for feeling happy or creating more happiness in your life, you will remain unhappy. You will have these little doses of happiness coming to your life, and then the happiness will go away. And the client goes, so that means it doesn't matter what I do. And I'm like, yes, it does not matter, no matter what you do. It's going to make you happy for some time, and then you go back to your original state. And then the person goes, oh, when it doesn't matter, then why should I do anything in life? When nothing matters, then what's the point of doing something, working hard, and things like that? That's a valid question. And I think a lot of people actually struggle with this question. A lot of people who are stuck in life, who are feeling unhappy, who are feeling meaningless and hollow, and then these people, they want happiness, and what they try to do is they try to distract themselves. They try to do little things that kind of distract them and bring some relief from unhappiness for some time, and after a while they are unhappy again. And no matter what they do, the process repeats. They're happy for a little time and unhappy most of the time. Relaxed for some time and stuck for most of the time. The first step is you need to be 100% clear. If you are unhappy, no matter what you do in life, no matter what you become in life, no matter what you get in life, you do anything, achieve anything, be anywhere, be with anybody, you're going to feel happy for some time, and then you're going to be unhappy again. No matter what you do. You meditate, you do yoga, you go to a doctor, you become a doctor, you become anything. If you are basically unhappy, if your primary state is unhappy, you know these things have no power. They do not matter, right? And then it's you again. Let's paint you blue. Right? And let's say this you is happy, right? The basic state is happy. That means you're happy most of the time, all of the time, right? Now what happens? The same things, A, B, C, let's say these letters, the same things. Now when you're basically happy, it does not matter what you're doing, you stay happy. When you're unhappy, it does not matter what you're doing. It's going to keep you happy for some time, and then you're unhappy again. And when you're happy, it does not matter what you do. What profession you have, whether you're a doctor, engineer, politician, teacher, yoga teacher, how much money you have, it doesn't matter. So when you're happy, it doesn't matter. When you're unhappy, it doesn't matter. Does it make sense? Does it make sense? Usually, most people, they blame things, people, situations in their life for their unhappiness. And then they hope there are some things, if they are able to do those things, they'll be happy. This is the illusion most people are stuck in. And they remain stuck in this illusion all their life. Because there's no way out of this illusion unless with 100% clarity, you realize that things are innocent. People around you are innocent. Situations around you are innocent. They are not responsible for your unhappiness. Once you become happy, again, the same things, it's the same world, but you feel it differently. The only difference is you are already happy. right? So when people say, oh, you know, I want to be happy in life, what profession should I go for? I want to be happy in life. How should I live my day? I want to be happy in life. Should I make money or should I not make money? These are the questions people have. I want to be happy. I just want to be happy. You know, should I marry or should I stay single? Should I date or should I not date? The thing is, it doesn't matter. If you want to be happy, it doesn't matter whether you date or you stay single, whether you get married or you don't get married, you get married or you get divorced, you have a job, you don't have a job. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter beyond anything's extremely limited ability to create some happiness in your life. Does it make sense? So what you need to do is, you need to journey from here to here, right? This is, let's say, the world. This is the world. The world remains the same, but you go from here to there. And this is what we do here, and this is what we call life transformation. So we are not transforming the world, we are transforming ourselves. And the moment we transform ourselves, we undergo a deep, fundamental change, not in terms of how you look, not in terms of whether you are overweight or you have six packs, but this is very subtle. This change is very subtle, non-physical, at a very deeper level. And when that change happens, the world remains the same. But you're no longer dependent on things for happiness. You're no longer dependent on people for happiness. You're no longer dependent on your environment for happiness. You are free. You're free. You feel free. Because nothing can bind you. You're not dependent on anything or anyone for your feelings of happiness. Now, if you are not happy most of the time as we speak, and you are changing things, girlfriends, boyfriends, hoping that some boyfriend or some girlfriend is going to make you happy, or changing careers, hoping that there is one perfect career in the world that's going to make you feel happy, well, you're going to stay unhappy, you're going to get more frustrated, you're going to suffer more and more. So, step number one, get this clarity. If I'm not happy now, if I'm not feeling happy as we speak now, the reason is my lack of understanding of how happiness works, my lack of understanding of who I basically truly am. Does it make sense? Does it make sense? And these things, they're innocent, they're neutral. This is what we call life transformation. This is basically what we're trying to do here. We're not trying to give you options, option A or B, because, you know, honestly, it doesn't matter. Medical, non-medical, humanities, doesn't matter. So far as your happiness is concerned, so far as the quality of life is concerned, what matters is your transformation. If you transform where you are, what you're doing, who you are with, you will be happy there and then. So you no longer need to change the boyfriend, the husband, the job, the career, the city, the country in order to feel happy. You simply need to transform yourself. Think about it, and do let me know what comes to your mind.